Welcome to Wescott,
That's what I'm talking about.
located in Midlothian, Virginia.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
We are so excited to tell you about this fantastic new home community. This beautiful community allows you to have the best of both worlds, amazing homes and a great location. With low maintenance living, you can enjoy free time with your family and friends. Our preferred builder, HHHunt Homes, is offering low maintenance luxury condos and townhomes. Depending on the floor plan and home type, homeowners can enjoy up to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and garages. The community also offers homeowners an array of amenities, like the state-of-the-art clubhouse, The Connection, which offers tech-savvy connectivity, a coffee bar, conference rooms, and a mix of indoor and outdoor gathering spaces. Other amenities include an outdoor kitchen, sidewalks, and a park with yard games, hammocks, bench swings, and an amphitheater. Just outside of the community, the local area is teeming with shopping, breweries, wineries, and more. If you love the outdoors, you are going to love living in Midlothian, Virginia. You can kayak the James River or visit one of the many parks. Plus, downtown Richmond, Virginia is just minutes away. Wescott is a community built for any lifestyle. With beautiful homes, amenities, and an amazing location, what's not to love? Visit us today at HHHuntCommunities.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.